Ladies and gentlemen, get ready as we reveal the future of riding. Please join us in counting down. 3,
1.
What it means to ride in style. This is the Kymco lifestyle. Now that you've seen the excitement, let's take a closer look at what makes these new models truly exceptional. To give us a detailed breakdown, please welcome back on stage Kymco Philippines General Manager Mr. Alan B. Santiago. Let's give him a round of applause.
Is our dollar 150S. So what is dollar 150S? Next slide please, Justin.
Okay mga sir, bali mamaya i-video natin to sa pagkatapos itong finish nila. Bigyan ko kayo ng mga information ko ng mga specs.
Market. Next slide, Justin. Next. So sorry. Mahirap mag-live.
That's okay.
Alright.